Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine. So get ready for your English class. Today we are going to start second topic from your writing skill, that is letter writing. I hope you all are aware what is letter. Letter is an important channel of communication between two people on a particular topic, matter or incident. We write letter as it serves many purposes. The basic purpose of letter is to convey a message. And as you all know, there are two types of letter, formal letter and informal letters. So today we are going to study the format of formal letter. Before starting up with the formal letters, I would like to discuss the difference between the two letters, that is informal and formal letters. Informal letters are the letters which keep us in touch with family and friends. The letters which we write to our family or friends when we need to communicate a lot of information, when we want to communicate something that is difficult to say face to face, or to mark some special occasion. So the informal letters are those letters which we write to our friends or relatives. Okay? And formal letters are the letters to the people whom we don't know on personal level. They are the professional letters. The letters written to the people whom we don't know on personal level. Formal letters are written to find out the information or to apply for a job or to make a complaint. Formal letters are written to the editor, mayor, police or officer. Now let's study about the format for formal letters. How do we write formal letters? We need to follow a proper format for writing a. Yes, students, let's understand the format of formal letter. How to write a formal letter? For writing a formal letter, we should follow a proper format. So first of all, you have to write sender address. Sender address means writer address. The person who is writing a letter, first of all, you will write your address. Okay, followed by date. Date should be written in a proper format like 20th May, 2020. Again, which is followed by receiver's address, the person whom you are writing a letter. Like the editor, if you are writing a letter to the editor, you will write the editor, the name of the newspaper, city. So if you are writing a letter to the Tribune, so you'll write the editor, the Tribune, New Delhi. Okay, not like that you are writing name of the newspaper, city. It is you have to write down the name of the newspaper, that is the Tribune, city, New Delhi. Okay, so first of all you will write sender address followed by date and then receiver's address. After that, subject, the purpose of letter. Okay, what the purpose of letter is. Mention the problem in 6 to 8 words. Okay, after that, salutation, respected sir or madam. Then body of the letter, which is the main part of the letter. It must include 3 paragraphs. In the first paragraph, you introduce yourself and state the purpose of writing the letter in brief. Okay, so first letter includes introduction and the purpose of writing the letter in brief. Then second paragraph, in the second paragraph, you will give a detail of matter. What are the causes and what are the effects of problem? Okay, if you are complaining about something, at least you have to mention the cause and effects of that problem, how it is affecting your life. So the second paragraph consists of consists of a detailed of the matter, detailed of the purpose about which we are writing a letter. Then third paragraph includes the conclusion where you are going to conclude your points by mentioning what you expect from the editor and by giving your suggestions for solving the problem. Is it clear? After that, complimentary closing like yours faithfully or you truly. Then your signature, sender's name means your name and designation. Is it clear? So I hope the format of writing a formal letter is clear to you. First of all, you are going to write a sender's address, followed by date, then receiver address, after that subject, salutation, body of the letter, which include 3 paragraphs. First paragraph includes introduction and purpose of writing the letter in brief. Second paragraph consists of a detailed of matter. Then in the third paragraph, you are going to conclude your letter by giving your suggestion and mentioning what to expect from the editor. Like you may use the words like, I hope you will publish my letter in your newspaper so that the purpose of letter or the concerned authorities may take action. Is it clear? Then complimentary closing followed by signature, your name and designation. If in the question the name has been given to you that you are Rahul or Renu, and on behalf of Rahul and Renu write a letter to the editor of newspaper over an issue of road maintenance, you are going to write your name as Rahul or Renu, whatever given in the question. Is it clear? If it is not given, if any name is not given, then you are supposed to write your name. Okay, so I hope the format of writing formal letter is clear to you. Now let's discuss one example of writing formal letter so that it will be more clear to us that how to write a formal letter. And likewise, you have to solve the worksheet. First one has been solved for you and the second one you have to solve as per the format we have discussed. Thank you. Worksheet. Suppose you are Varsha or Varun, write a letter to the editor of the newspaper complaining about the irregular and inadequate bus service in your area. So how will you start? First of all, your address followed by date, then the address of the receiver. Suppose we are writing a letter to Indian Express, so you will write the editor, Indian Express, Chandigarh. Sir, subject. Now here we are talking about irregular and inadequate bus service, so our subject will be the same, irregular and inadequate bus service. So up till now we followed the format. First we have written sender address, followed by date, then receiver address, salutation and subject. Now next comes the body of the letter, which should be written in the 3 paragraphs. Okay, so let's start. See, first introduce yourself and your problem in brief. I am Varsha or Varun, a resident of Sector 45, Chandigarh. Through the column of your esteemed daily, I wish to draw attention of the transport authorities towards the hardships that the residents of Sector 45 have been experiencing on the account of inadequate bus service. So in the first paragraph, you introduced yourself and explained your problem in brief. In the second paragraph, we are going to talk about a problem in detail. Every morning, a large number of people take bus at the main bus stop of this area to reach their workplace. Besides, there are a large number of students who travel on buses to reach their respective schools and colleges. But the existing bus service is far from meeting the requirements of the public. Most of the buses that touch this spot are packed with the passengers from the other areas by the time they reach Sector 45 bus stop. So they can accommodate very few passengers at this stop. The situation is worse at peak hours when most of the buses do not even stop here, and as a result, people reach late at their designated places. The authorities are requested to introduce new bus services to start from this area, as it would be huge help for the public. Now in the third paragraph, you are summarizing your problem and you're giving your suggestion too for solving the problem. You suggest that authorities are requested to introduce new bus services to start from this area, as it would be a huge help for the public. I hope you will publish my letter in your esteemed newspaper and bring this serious problem to the authorities' attention. In the end, thanking you, yours faithfully, your signature, and according to the question, you are Varsha or Varun now. So you'll write Varsha or Varun, concerned citizen. Okay, your designation is concerned citizen. So like this way, you have to write formal letter. I hope the format of writing a formal letter is clear to you. So let's take a quick recap what we have learned today. We learned how to write formal letters. Formal letters are the letters which are considered as professional letters, and these are the letters we write to editor, officer, police, or any organization. Okay, we write, purpose of writing formal letter is to apply for a job, to make a complaint, or any inquiry if you want to make. Is it clear? So format is, first of all, sender's address, means writer address, the person who is writing a letter. Second, followed by date, then receiver's address, the person whom you're writing, receiver address. Okay, after that, salutation, subject, body of the letter, then closing compliment, your signature, name and designation. So I hope the format of writing formal letter is clear to you. Thank you.